Good morning and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Kindly like and subscribe my channel. Today I will tell you English spelling rule number 8. Okay, say these two words with me. One is giraffe and other is good. Both these words have the same starting letter G but gives two sounds. Why? What is the reason behind that? Okay, I tell you. Letter G make two sound. One is hard sound and other is soft sound, just like C. Letter C also make two sound. Letter G is make two sound. One is hard sound and one is soft sound. When letter G followed by A and U or any consonant, it gives a hard sound. Go, good, glad, grind, gash, give, gum, gas, goat. These all are example of hard G. Hard G sound like G, G, G. When letter G meet with O, A and U or any consonant, it gives the sound G. Good is example. G, good. But when G is followed by E, I or Y, then it makes soft sound, which is J. Always remember one thing. When G is followed by E, I or Y, then it make a soft sound. जब लेटर G, E, I और Y के साथ आएगा बस तब वो ज का साउंड देगा, अदरवाइज वो जिस भी लेटर के साथ आएगा वो ग का साउंड देगा. Soft G sound like J. J. When G meet E, I or Y, the sound is soft, which is J, J, J. Danger. I hope all of you understand. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.